In the school, the three guys met. Zawardo! JoJo reference!
It's time to stop!
I can see that the writers of this show are men of culture too.
It's gonna be a great commentary.
I'm sorry that you had to watch this shit and listen to these
Go
idiots.
to my MySpace account and follow
including me.
We're not watching it. Don't. They didn't censor that! They should have. Cael just shot himself, but that doesn't make it good.
Just like men.
Oh no! No! She said no!
Fuck this shit, I'm out. Fuck this shit, I'm out. No thanks.
We are about to watch School Days again. Does anyone want to recap?
No, nothing happened.
I want to
guy
die.
Look at that 360 quality.
That means it can spin, right? Yes. We're just practicing again, right, dude?
My fucking thing just froze.
I
might as well just fucking use YouTube. I might as well just use YouTube because they have School Days on it.
Well, haven't we been doing that the entire time then?
Because it's fan subs.
Warm lemonade. Please, no.
It looks like...
Shut up.
I agree with Odin. I mean, they frame their shots well, but they can't do steam.
Sometimes they don't, because sometimes characters are out of frame. I mean, this makes sense because she doesn't want to be...
Like this. Like, I actually... Kinda okay. Cinematography. If it wasn't revealed that these two were together...
Yeah, that would... Like, if they didn't...
If they switched it around...
If it was a plot twist, maybe.
Yeah, like, then that cinematography would be great.
Okay, good.
Okay, it's gone.
How the monster is going.
Roariously when we just told it.
Oh no!
Oh my god!
Now see, that one.
Oh, it couldn't be that! My eyes are deceiving me!
Well, like,
No,
they
if we
do
do
all
watch
look the
Troll
same,
2.
so it could have not been them.
Should mention, I think...
Do it.
No, mention nothing.
Fuck shit. That's all I'm gonna say.
As
As Cael has said.
Fantastic term.
Fuck shit.
Yeah,
It's all just
This girl is fuck shit. The other Sekai is fuck shit.
Wait, who's this person?
No,
This
no,
middle
Mark,
school
you're
friend.
incorrect. All of the women in this school, sorry, all of the girls in this school, everything to do with them is fuck shit.
Yeah, yeah.
It's
No,
back!
no. Kill it!
Death.
Join our death cult.
Praise Satan!
He's considering it because he's thinking, maybe having this girlfriend is okay because we get discounts for stuff. Brother. And then, like, yeah.
I fell over nothing.
And you fucking sit there and look.
What? What an asshole!
Help her up.
He just switches on a fucking dime. Like before now he was like apprehensive, but now he's just completely fucking stopped caring about her.
Yeah.
It's
Because
not-
I'm guessing...
it's not warranted.
I'm guessing this was a choice in the VN. Whether you can just keep walking,
Probably
go
yeah.
back.
Oh, we should play the VN.
No, God, you can.
I told you it was a hentai game. I'm sure there's a safe for work option, maybe. I would know.
Oh, there was...
Not the confidence when he's trying to drop her. Oh no.
That's a problem.
Who's this guy?
It's a girl.
What?
Yeah. It's a
Yeah,
girl.
that's when
Who's this girl then?
Oh, yeah, that's the one that we've confused for a guy already.
It's a horror movie.
No, it's a movie where literally everyone's going to go to fucking war.
Can we have
It's
the...
Children of the Corn.
Can we please have
Children
that
of the
instead?
Porn! I'm gonna show you this drawing that I made. You're gonna love it.
Oh my god.
No! Poor bitch.
Why is
She sees it. In the school, the three guys met. Their relation has changed in the season, turned into three love stories.
Who's the third guy?
No, someone! I think it means persons or people because like there's 3 people: Sekai,
Yeah, that
Kotonoha,
would make a lot
Makoto.
more sense.
There's more
'cause
people-
There's a love
there's-
triangle.
Yes,
No,
but they
there's
were the
only
original
3.
love triangle, and then a bunch of stories came out of it, which is what it means by that thing.
Fuck shit.
What did I miss?
What did you miss, Mark? Mark, this entire show, what do you miss by not watching it?
Wait.
Odin!
What?
She's a brick! She's a brick man!
Why is
She's a
this-
brick woman.
She's a brick woman! But I mean...
Oh god damn it! The fuck.
Do you want to support this show, Mark?
No, but I want to support the server that has it.
I want to support the content we can create from it.
Yes. Crunchyroll, switch to fucking HTML.
Never.
See, you can tell that girl's a guy's a girl.
Yeah. Like if I don't
He's a man.
He's a dude.
Why is his face a dude?
It's a tomboy.
That is.
It's not a dude. I
That's
don't
a
even
male.
think it's a tomboy.
Androgynous. Except for boobs.
Whatever.
Nah,
This makes
does
no
it annoy
sense.
you?
It bothers me.
It bothers
They're
you?
making
Okay, the
a
show is
mix
doing
with
it right.
Wait, what are they
This is
filming?
setting up a thing. This is setting up a
Are they
thing.
filming?
Saying things.
What are they gonna film?
Yeah.
You'll fucking see.
The poor lady's so short.
Because she's a lolly. Her dad hasn't been feeding her.
I will beat the shit out of my dad.
Watch our playthrough of Doki Doki Literature Club. It's pretty gay.
Okay, but can he just unblock her when he
Yeah.
gets the phone back?
He's not going to though, because he's a fucking brick.
But you know, he could just unblock her.
No.
But he doesn't.
But he could.
But he doesn't.
But he should.
No.
But he doesn't. You know, Kotonoha's sister looks like Sekai. Have you noticed that?
Yes.
It's very strange.
It's disturbing.
A little bit, yeah.
Or you could just break up with her.
Oh no.
But he doesn't.
No, he's.
Oh no.
Fuck off.
What is happening? What?
Who's this
Mark
person?
really dislikes fan service.
Well, like, I don't like it in the context of this show. Otherwise, I'm fine with it. Seeing it here makes me angry. Just to clarify. Oh, hey, there's sympathy, maybe.
I have no sympathy for this dude.
Well, he has sympathy sometimes.
Does he?
Yeah, just now.
He can feel
He was
emotion.
like, oh,
He's got sympathy in the worst of times.
like here. Oh, she must be cheating on me. Huh, what a bitch. Fuck you.
That's good.
Oh.
What?
No.
Why would you think that? She literally was just like, yeah, no, I'm still dating Makoto, so no. What are you doing?
No.
You, that guy to the right.
Wait, he went to cancel the blocking.
He almost
Because he
did.
saw her tits.
Sure.
I looked you up.
I googled you.
I looked up piece of shit and I found your face.
And it'll be. I'll have it start out being like a conflict. Okay, so what? All right, let's have a quick recap. What happened in this episode?
Okay, Kotonoha found out that Makoto was with Sekai and she was like kicked multiple
A
times.
bunch of people were bitches. I think that's the episode.
Only me.
That's a male.
Want to know something?
No.
It was muted the whole time.
Synopsis.
We talked about dicks and computers.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Combined.
The audio sounds like it's been through the wah-wah.
It's not that bad.
It's not that. No, it's
I
not
mean,
that
good.
good.
I'm sorry. It's not that
How
good.
dare you? The Wawa
I
is the
misspoke.
best.
They took the
It's
fucking
like-
audio
they-
and
no.
put it in a drain and then turned the water
They
on.
put a speaker into someone's
It's because at this point the
and
fans
put
were
the
trying to
crappiest
drown
mic they could
themselves.
find outside of it and re-recorded it.
No, they blew the speaker and then put it in water and then started playing this episode.
It's all the shit. The show was shit, and now the quality of what we're watching.
Quality
It now matches what we're watching!
I don't know.
Wow!
The sound and visual quality is still too high if we want to match it.
Yeah, we need 144.
No. One.
One pixel.
It's just one black pixel all over.
No, it changes based off of the middle pixel.
It occasionally changes to like a peach-colored pixel to show the anime titty.
The sound is just screeches.
The sound is screeches.
It's just screeches.
No, it's just one. It's one long, prolonged note.
It's one long. No. No.
Video files
Windows
screaming in
XP.
agony.
Windows XP.
It's just a dial-up noise.
Opening noise.
She's never home.
No, she was the worst.
No one is ever home.
She's home right now.
Fuck. Then why is everyone so attracted to him?
If
He's
you
so
haven't
vanilla.
noticed, there's only like 3 boys in this entire fucking school, and 2 of them are even more of a brick than this one.
One of them
And one of them was
bad.
actually a female.
Yeah, it's
Dire
actually just an
Straits.
all-girls school,
Yeah.
but they accidentally got a few guys in. They thought they were girls.
That's why they let that one girl in, because...
That one guy.
Is the very nice boat at the end running them all over?
Oh yes, the nice boat. I forgot! The nice boat! The
boat?
fucking nice boat! There's a nice boat at the end of this!
Oh,
It's like the first time you're watching this all over again.
Yes.
You remember the boat, and you're like, yes!
The nice boat! The nice boat! The nice boat!
The one on the left is the one you call a dude.
Why is the male
They weren't
such
that
large breasts?
big before, I don't think.
It's the same logic behind the shirts and Doki Doki.
Well, she's a guy.
Oh yeah, don't let the clothing deceive you.
A brothel might serve.
Ah!
What the
Because
hell?
They're doing my ghosts.
All I heard from Odin was, listen, it's a brothel of, what the hell?
I can't breathe.
Oh my god. He's literally just a guy and shoves some like socks in his shirt. And he's like, oh,
So
I'm
you get into this
female now.
all-girls school.
Then
So
why
that
do
means
they
they're
have a
15.
brothel set up?
Yes. 15 or 16.
Why do they have a brothel set
No,
up?
yeah, that's-
Well,
that's
you
the
see,
question.
teenagers are really thirsty.
But like,
That's why they have water fountains. in this.
Okay, honestly, Noha, where she's at right now, or where she was earlier, primo.
Those
Better
eyes
person
are-
than before, less sheltered. The fact that she still goes for Makoto though, not good.
Not good at all, no.
Your personality changed? You got better as a person.
No. No. No.
Oh, no.
On-
Ow! Why? Did he pass out drunk? Is that what happened, or is he just? He's.
Oh my god!
What unfortunate timing!
More slaps will be had.
oh my
You're
god.
supposed to go with your couple to this thing and then do a dance and then go to the rest area.
Does the school just not know about this?
No, it's a school based entirely around.
Hey, look, yeah, that's a
sex.
girl. That's a very much a girl.
No, they,
Wait.
She's a guy.
She keeps putting an inconsistent amount of socks in his shirt. It's ridiculous.
Oh, yeah, it's very inconsistent.
So-
Easy like Sunday morning.
I hope he never has kids.
I just looked at Cael and Matt there. We know.
No, don't listen. Who's this person?
She's the middle school friend, remember?
No!
Yes, she
I
is.
don't remember.
She's just so precious. She's
She's
too
waiting.
fucking precious
And
for
then the
this.
army comes by.
She's too
And there's like
fucking precious for this.
Matt just died. This show killed him.
Well, the channel can survive with 4.
don't just Makoto just dance with everyone. You know?
I'm never gonna dance again. Guilty feelings got no rhythm. Now it's easy to pretend. I know I'm not a fool. I should have known better than to cheat a friend. Waste a chance that I've been given.
Why are you still
I'm
going?
never gonna dance again. The way I danced with you.
Matt, no!
Matt, no!
You ballsed it up!
Matt came back from the dead to kill the recording.
He's pumping up his.
No, Matt! on. Ah! Take your arm and rip it off. Come on, it's time to go do the Mario. Take one step.
You say,
And
please,
then
Tom, I'm
again.
pretty sure.
I like how she's running the brothel and they're inside.
Just
Oh
to
my
be
God.
reminded, just so that she's reminded of what she could be getting.
Something's about to happen.
Someone needs to
Something
die.
very wonderful is about to happen, and I'm gonna fucking cry.
She is in such strong denial. You can keep saying it.
No, you are not.
It doesn't look like Makoto thinks that.
Oh my god, I do not care.
No.
Why is there fire?
Oh my god, no.
Fall
No!
back. Push him right now.
What's happening?
I'm just thinking Ava right now.
Yeah, that's what.
She actually got raped.
Oh my god.
No.
We have hit this level.
Audio and visual.
Just spilled water in my face.
Yeah. You have a drinking problem.
Oh my
Sorry.
god.
Oh.
My face right now.
What do you think her clothes are?
She was raped. Now she has to go out and look at this.
War is hell. Let's skip.
Skip it all.
Skip this, Odin.
Delete
Skip
this.
the intro.
Odin.
I
Delete
can't
this,
the
my
intro.
child.
I'm barely paying attention to the dialogue. I'm just trying to stay focused. But just everything. I know I can't truly be mad at it unless I know what they're fucking saying. She's
Oh my
No,
No.
fucking not. Oh my god.
Take a fucking hint. You precious, precious cinnamon roll. I feel so bad for him, you know.
No,
I
don't.
feel so bad for him. This fucking back and forth soap opera fucking bullshit.
Did you?
This
You
man
did not
is
tell it to
upset.
I am very upset.
Very angry.
I am very upset.
Like,
This show does things to me.
Kotonoha should be able to
Things
take
that
the hint,
You can't.
but he should still, like,
Sell,
tell
you
her.
just
Does
straight
things
out.
for me.
So do you guys want to know what Katawa Shoujo is?
Sure.
What do you think Katawa means?
Cripple. It means cripple.
What am I doing again?
Oh, hi, Mark.
Why?
You
No,
broke. You
I
broke
broke
it.
it. Well, you know what? At least she's finally being told, right?
Yeah.
It's been 5 episodes too late, but at least she's finally being told this.
Or you can sign in to MySpace with Facebook.
Or Twitter, it looks like.
Yeah, Facebook or Twitter.
That's kind of sad. That's actually really sad.
Yeah.
It's like they know.
I'm not gonna do a lot of things with Facebook.
They did it again!
Oh my god.
They did it again!
Stop.
It might
What?
be a little...
Stop.
Yep.
Stop!
We're doing this.
Do not-
It's time to stop.
This is the payoff. This is the payoff.
Of the camera.
This is the payoff of the camera.
Oh.
This is the payoff of the camera! This is the payoff of the camera! The show's... I think it's an understatement to say the show's mean-spirited. Dramatic effect! There's like a YouTuber, or there's like some commenter who's fucking everywhere, who uses that character.
What character does he use?
Misaka Mikoto
Oh.
from a certain magical index.
Okay.
If you're out there, if you're watching this, hi. I'm surprised you got it this far, honestly.
Please consider subscribbling.
僕はセックス大好きいつもセックス毎日やりたいセックス
Okay? We're all okay!
Am I?
I
After
am
this, we should
mentally okay.
play some calming board games.
No.
No.
Boarding games. I'm fucking ecstatic.
Are we
I'm
muted?
actually happy right
Calm
now.
down. Wow, the show actually killed me. I'm
Are you
actually,
okay?
My energy has been
You.
drained.
Do you need
I felt drained within episode 8. No! 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 Oh my fucking god, he did it again!
Oh, I thought he had his like head. Oh, that's somebody else. I thought that was his body, and he had like his head cut off.
Another?
Another one! Oh my god! This person!
Are you okay?
Reese has actually lost it! Reese has lost it! He finally broke! He finally broke!
You know the worst part about it? It opened up where they're saying, I came over here to make you go cheer up a second. Oh my god! This show! I can't!
Just edit in that one black guy saying another one.
This is weird because there's two parts to my brain right now. The part that is just broken and the part that's like, hey, you're broken.
The counter is up to 5 girls that he's banged now.
No, wait, no,
he's banged 4 girls and he still hasn't fucking go to Noah.
I need to check something.
Those boobs are hands.
Those are knees.
I'm sure the master would really like that.
And he does it in school! He does it in school again! He did it again! He did it again! It's the same girl, yes!
It's
It's
the
the
same
one with the
location.
hair.
That was
That's
Sekai.
Sekai.
She was looking at some.
She's looking at what we're talking.
Oh my god.
Like,
You like when they just slipped in and like, oh, let's have another girl. You know what? While we're at it, let's throw in 3 more. Fucking derails.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
exactly.
Oh my god, I remembered what this is!
Oh no!
You know what every fucking bad thing needs? You know what every bad fucking soap opera needs?
Oh no!
Wait for it. We'll see.
Wait for it, it's coming.
It's been like
Oh no!
You know what every bad show needs? Wait, where's the water gonna go? It's gonna fly off the edge!
I know.
The water's gonna fly off the edge!
There's no drain on the floor either. It's.
Good, he's
He
finally...
looks pretty quiet for doing what he did.
He deserves every bit of scorn.
flirty
Legitimate
genius.
suicide.
Flirting genius!
Where did he? Books to figure out.
How do I put it in?
I can't find the hole.
Just pick whatever hole!
I can't do that either.
I need another book for that.
All I have to say is no wonder Japan has such a fucking negative birth rate.
Yeah. They're all...
They learned the lesson from the show. Just don't do it.
The one that we see here doesn't happen in the
Actually, this is the worst ending of the visual novel.
I
This
looked at all
happens.
the endings to the visual novel. This wasn't one of them.
Really?
Yeah.
What? I thought it was.
No, they literally made it worse.
Yeah,
Like I said, they literally made this to piss you off.
they didn't. This is not any of the endings.
Wait, so they didn't.
This
They
is.
just fucked with us!
This is
They
not.
fucked with us!
They fucked with you.
What's with everyone?
What's with
What were the
everyone?
ends
Whoa!
of the
Yeah! Woo!
Correct.
We are going to see
Our
a
boat.
very nice boat. Who's so that? Oh, Makoto, who are you with now?
Oh my god! This man is a moron.
Why do women make bab?
How is Babby made?
How is pregnant formed?
How is Babby
Is
formed?
it possible for my girlfriend to get pregnant?
And here, he finally gets some self-reflection. 12 episodes. and we finally get that infamous self-reflection you see in a lot of visual novels. It would have been really fucking helpful if you could tell what he was thinking.
Yeah?
He threw you away a while ago.
Don't give me that bullshit! And then her brother, who she thought died in a car accident, came back!
Yeah.
That's an understatement. Those are both understatements.
Oh. Oh.
That's the boat. That's
The
the
boat.
boat. That's the boat.
The boat.
We're about to see a nice boat.
It sounds so nice.
It took you long enough. Yes, squirm. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Censored.
Woo! Aw.
Yeah.
Woo!
Pretty sure
That's
that's
good.
So
I think
happy
it-
right
I think
now.
it was
That is awesome.
This is the best ending.
Yeah.
Great.
And it gets better. It gets better.
Yay.
It's definitely not worth it.
It's not worth all of this, but on its own, holy shit.
It is really nice to see that guy finally die.
Yeah.
Oh!
What could it be?
He really lost his head!
Oh no.
Allow me to confirm. Woo! Woo! Yes! Fucking die!
2 down, 1 to go.
Jeez.
Man, I wonder where that hole is. She cut open her womb to look.
Cells.
No, it's been many weeks.
Hey, it's
Oh,
a nice
really?
boat.
It's the nice boat!
That's a nice
Mark,
boat.
I think you're a bit too excited.
That's the nice
That's a
boat!
really nice boat.
Yes, there it is! Yay!
Oh my god.
There's the head!
Oh, jeez.
It's just the two of us.
What do you think of it?
What did I think of it?
Well,
What do you think of it?
That's
This
an
was a fuck shit.
excellent question.
What?
It's trash.
This was a fuck shit.
Endless trash.
All of it.
It just got worse and
Oh, you're leaving?
I'm leaving.
Okay.
I do.
You like your boat?
I like my boat.
Is it worth it? Is
No,
it really worth
It's not
it?
worth it,
It's
but
not
Then
worth
why?
Not
Why?
worth it.
It's
not
not worth
worth
it, in considering I saw Reese going, what?
It's not worth
What?
it. at all.
the week before this episode was supposed to air, a girl murdered her father with an axe in real life in Japan. And because something similar happens here, they pushed it back a week. And instead of airing this episode, they showed footage of a boat in the middle of Norway, and it was like going down a river. And like some Japanese guy on 2chan said, "Nice boat," and a meme was born. And then there's like a nice boat in this episode too. So,
I don't think she knows how to control a boat.
oh, there's the nice boat!
Nice boat.
Woo!